Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sukun FM English. We are here to listen stories Secret Sanila Secret Gharjamai Shadow King. Today we listen episode number 47. Now let's begin the story. After thinking that Payal will remain in her own company, Summer Masters Raya and Kapoor Industries he started working towards that place. He decided to search for Payal in his company. When Samar passed by pavilion number 13, he saw that the door of that pavilion was also closed. He understood that Kiara was in the office the whole night and did not come home. I thought to myself, oh, Kiara also didn't come back home last night. Samar's heart started etching pain again when he realized what all Kiara had done to run this company, and in a single moment he ended her last hope. He had trampled it under his feet. He said to Kiara in his mind, Honey, please wait. I will definitely bring this invitation card for you whenever I can. Samar firmly decided to move out of the residential area and develop Kiara's Kapoor industry. He took a taxi to go to the office, although he did not know the exactly address of the company. The taxi driver did. The taxi driver gave Summer a ride to the office for 1,000 rupees delivered to the industry office. After looking at the business of Summer's Kapoor group of industries from top to bottom, you will see that I could not stop myself from caring, and while turning towards the building, I said, What a magnificent building! This building had 38 floors, was the tallest building in Indore city. The exterior of the building was made of white marble, which made it even more magnificent. Payal, the owner of a luxurious high-rise building, was definitely not an ordinary person. As Summer entered the building and reached the reception, the receptionist looked at him and asked, Yes, sir, how can I help you? She wearing a blue colored formal suit and she was a young girl of 20 to 21 years. She was a proud looking girl and had freckles on her face and she was very shy. She was looking quietly sweet. The receptionist girl looked Summer up and down and thought to herself, This guy is so handsome. Even though there were many good looking guys in the company, none were better than the guy in front of her. Although the face of this boy was very beautiful, but Summer was wearing dirty clothes. Seeing the girl become very disappointed because he was wearing very dirty clothes. He had not changed his clothes for 2 days. He was like a laborer working in her fields. She was choking. Yet although he looked like the laborers coming from the fields, his handsome face and nimble hands set him apart from them. People coming from the fields and dark skin and rough hands, which were sign of working in the fields for a long time. But the guy in front of her had face skin a very handsome figure, which made him look absolutely Mr. Handsome. Summer replied to her while laughing. Hello, miss. I have come to meet Miss Payal Kapoor, chairperson of Kapoor Industry. Hearing this, the relationship lover got very surprised that he is here with Payal Kapoor. Payal, the chairperson of Kapoor Industry. But who is a wretched man who was actually looking for Payal? Looking at him seemed that he did not even have the guts to take Payal's name. But then he said this to her at night. He asked Amar, Have you come to meet our chairperson? Do you have an appointment with her? Summer replied to her saying, Sorry, but I don't have any appointment with her, but I know Payal. The girl got even more shocked. She knew that one of the richest family of Indore city was after her boss, and after seeing piles once, she would tell her father about it. I would have seen sacrificed my life. Then why would her boss give lift to this idiot who does not even have clean clothes to wear? Her boss was very fond of cleanliness and this man, so she surprised Summer asked, so can you tell me how long you know him? Summer thought for a moment and then said, she is my friend. He had met Payal twice before. The first time he had gone to Lal Bahadur Chachi to borrow money, and second time he had gone to house to buy wine. The girl frowned and said, so you said you are his friend, then you must have his contact number. Can you show me her number on your phone? Can you tell me and make me talk to them? Summer immediately shook his head and said, sorry, but I don't have his number. Now, will you let me in? Summer was about to go inside, finishing his talk when the receptionist. So he quickly changed her expression and said, making way for Summer. No, I can't let you know. Seeing her green eyes, Summer furrowed her eyebrows and said, please let me go. I have to talk to Payal about an emergency. But she did not move away from him and said, no way, I can't let you go. If I let you in without an appointment, my job will be at stake. Summer requested her, please just let me in once. I really know Payal Kapoor. The girl was very firm and she cried to him outside and said, I told you I can't let you in. She knew that her boss was the most beautiful girl in the whole Indore city. She is the woman every man dreams of meeting. If she lets everybody in, the company will be crowded. Apart from this, the company led its own rule. No person could come inside unless he had an appointment or was a good friend of his. Suddenly a voice came from behind. Ankita, what happened? Summer looked towards the voice and saw a man dressed as security guard coming towards them. The man was at least 6 feet 4 inches tall. He had strong muscles and a sturdy body. He looked full of energy. His name was Robin, who was the member of Puri group of. He was the head of the security department in industry. The receptionist told Robin in frustrations, this man is saying that he is a friend of our chairperson, but he neither has her number nor an appointment. But still he is trying to get in. I am explaining to him that I cannot go in like this, but it is not ready to accept this. Robin waved his hand and tried to explain to Summer. Sir, this is the whole group of industry and there are 6 rules. If you have an appointment or not, then if you have a chairperson's number, we can let you in. Otherwise, please leave from here. Let me go. But Summer was not ready to leave from there. He requested once again. He said, you guys please trust me. Payal is my friend. Please give me a chance. Let me go inside. Robin frowned sheepishly and said, friend, we got more than 10 people every day who say they are friend of the chairperson and have come to meet him. Some of them are so desperate that even fight here. Otherwise, I am not of them. Summer suddenly changed his face and stared at Robin coldly without listening to his words. He asked, what do you mean? Summer was about to shout at her in anger, but suddenly to hear a loud noise. I am really his friend. That is why I have come to meet him. This man with a white coat was talking. The man in white coat was being picked up by a new security guards. He too was trying to enter the company like Summer. Then Robin irritably said to Summer, pointing towards the man in white coat. He said, "See, this madman always comes here and said he is come to meet our chairperson. He is his friend." Ankita, the girl from the reception, also agreed with Rohan and said, "Yes, he has come here more than 10 times before, and every time he is sent to the mental hospital. We take him away from there, but he always run away from there, and here we come, he troubles me." Anger and displeasure were clearly visible on his face. Summer did not know how to respond, and he wiped the sweat from his forehead and asked in surprise, "Do such crazy people really come to meet Payal every day?" He was wondering in his mind, that was Payal so beautiful that people go crazy chasing her. But why did he not find so beautiful? When Robin saw that Summer was not ready to leave from there, he asked him questions and he was leaving. She remarkably angrily at him. "I did not think you can do that either. You can one of them, so you all go away from here. Otherwise I will do the same to you. You will have to behave." Summer kept his hand behind his back and said calmly, "Sorry, it is very important for me to meet Pyle today. So I am not going to leave from here. And also, no, I am not crazy, although you do look crazy to me." Without hearing the word mad from his mouth, Robin said in anger, "Hey child, do you think I am mad? Are you looking for death?" Summer jokingly said in one night, "I am not looking for death, I am looking for Payal." Hearing this, Robin quipped, "Okay, kid, if you are not going, if so, don't blame me for whatever happened next." And he went to Summer, stretching his muscles. What was happen in the next? What will do Summer? What will do security head? Stay tuned with Sukoon FM English. If you enjoyed the story, please like the story and comment on the comment section.